today I'm going to show you how to make a waterfall, and you can open the. I can't tell that to you. Just wanna put the lever down. Yes. See what's going. Come on now. Yes. Oh yes. It's going to stop the waterfall. Yeah. For this thing, you're going to need a small mountain. So let's make a not a small, a mountain. Okay. Yes. A mountain. Do the mountain, guys. Yeah, it's not right. Never mind. Do it like this. Okay, I made this thing. Okay, then cover it up here. And go and put some water here. Then put some grass block here. Like this. And here. What? And here, yes. Then make this thing here. Put a lever. Put some dirt here. Put dirt here up. Then put down the lever, put some redstone here, yes, and here put another block, whatever block is it, and then go here and go and get one piston. Wait. Yes, one piston. And put down. Wait. Wait, I'm going to resume when it does. Okay, yes, sorry guys. I was wrong. Don't put the water. Sorry guys. I'm really sorry. Go here. Put the piston down. Like this. Then put the result. Wait. Not again, Meg. Don't do this again. Sorry guys, I'm really sorry. Yes. Put here the dirt that the block that we're going to put. close it here. Put some water. Wait. Yes, put some water. Like this. Then put some redstone. And I think you're done. You make your waterfall. You can close it from here if you want. Yes, close it in here if you want. This one you can open it and close it. So guys, I hope I helped you and this was helpful. Tell me in the comments below if this was helpful, and tell me in the comments below if you want me to play something else. And yes, so guys, I hope you like the video, and yeah. So guys, please like, comment and subscribe. I like to run spy. See you next time.